Hello. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through creating the Hill Harvest logo, an emblem-style design combining a river, mountains, and the sun inside a balanced oval frame.
When we saw